Hi guys, are you looking for the best robot vacuum cleaner? Then, you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to review top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner on AliExpress. All these vacuum cleaners have been selected based on personal opinion, value, rating, reviews, and orders. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Listed number 5, Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It has visual dynamic navigation, powerful quad-core processor, whole house cleaning path planning, 2055 PA super suction, intelligent electronic control water tank, class 15 motion sensor, large caliber suspension mouthpiece, app remote controlled at high precision map construction, whole house cleaning path planning, do not repeat without sweeping. Sweeping one step in place, the floor is clean and all are handed to me. It's 30,000 seconds feature point acquisition, dynamic visualization, 166 degrees wide angle. Apply professional AV vision sensor, simulate a neural network algorithm, and match 50 times per second path calculation, which can maintain a dynamic survey during travel, and map drawing is more accurate and efficient. Equipped with a 200 ml intelligent electronically controlled water tank, the water is automatically controlled throughout the whole process, and the floor is protected, and the water is evenly leaked. Suspension suction, powerful main brush, high precision filtration. Let every part clean and nuance. The inline visual sensor gives me a thinner body, free access under the bed, the bottom of the cabinet, and the bottom of the sofa. The bow-shaped travel route has higher cleaning coverage. 15 sets of high-precision sensor full coverage, better adapt to the complex terrain of the home. Xiaomi classmates voice linkage, clean as long as one sentence. Mijia Internet Intelligence is firmware upgrade, remote control, mode adjustment, schedule cleaning, fault reminder, real-time rendering. Its dust box capacity 600 ml and its 1 hour 30 minutes battery life. Listed number 4, Proscenic 830p 2000 PA Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Listed number 3, ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Listed number 2, ILIFE V8 Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Listed number 1 LIECTROUX C30B Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want to buy best robot vacuum cleaner on AliExpress, link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like or dislike, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like or dislike and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.